What do we call the line where the earth and the sky seem to meet? What is the term for a person who studies stars and planets? Which gas do humans need to breathe in order to survive? What do you call a liquid that can dissolve other substances? What do you call the piece of paper that proves you have paid for an item? Which season comes after autumn and before spring? What is the person in charge of a school called? What do you call a person who writes play scripts for theater? If you are feeling dehydrated, what does your body need? What do you call the person who flies an airplane? What do you call a place where people keep their money? What is the term for a meal eaten in the middle of the day? How many years are there in a century? What is the name of the protective headwear worn by cyclists? What do you call the list of items you need to buy at a grocery store? What is the term for a person who cannot see? Which instrument is used to see objects that are very far away in space? What is the name of the place where people go to watch a movie? What do you call a period of 1,000 years? What is the soft, white substance used to make clothes that comes from a plant? Which part of the body do you use to hear sounds? What do you call a person who serves food in a restaurant? What is the opposite of the word ancient? What do you call the person who leads an orchestra? What do you call a book where you write your daily thoughts and experiences? What is the main color of an emerald? What do you call a person who designs buildings? How many months are in a year? What do you call the person who checks your teeth? What is the liquid that comes out of a volcano? What is the term for a person who does not eat meat? Which gas do humans need to breathe in to survive? What do you call the study of stars and planets? What is the room in a house where people usually cook food? What is the opposite of expensive? What is the name of the person who cuts men's hair? What do we call the water that falls from the clouds? What is the name of the document that gives you permission to travel to another country? What do you call the person who writes for a newspaper? Which season follows winter? What do you call a large mass of ice floating in the ocean? What is the term for a person who is looking for a job? What is the device used to tell the time that you wear on your wrist? What is the name of the place where milk is produced and processed? What do you call a woman who is about to get married? What is the name of the tool used to dig holes in the ground?